This video introduces the current features of BTW and offers an overview of its scheduled future developments. At present, it consists of a sample repository of interlocking entries. Let's start from the entry on the Sanskrit word prasada. At the top of the page, you will see the meanings and uses of the word prasada. Sense B means faith, but other Sanskrit words can also mean faith. Translators need to understand whether prasada is synonymous with them or somehow differs from them in meaning, connotation, or use. So let's click on Sense B and take a closer look. In this section of the entry, we can read illustrative citations in Sanskrit together with their English translation. Prasada is written in green. It appears to mean faith and belief. So, how does it differ from the Sanskrit word shraddha that also means faith and belief? To answer this question, let's move to the contrastive section of this sense and select conceptual proximates. Here we can see citations where both shraddha and prasada appear. The difference between the two is not obvious. We can click on shraddha and read the full entry detailing the uses of shraddha. We can also compare the semantic range of the two words based on the semantic categories of the historical thesaurus of English. In BTW, most citations of the lemma are assigned to one or more of the semantic categories in the historical thesaurus. These numbers correspond to the semantic categories of the historical thesaurus. If we compare the semantic categories attached to these passages, we can see that all of them share the category belief. And most of them share the semantic category faith. The semantic categories also serve to compare the range of a Sanskrit lemma with that of its possible English renditions. We can see that the English equivalents range over many semantic categories. They introduce many meanings that are not expressed by prasada in our citation here. Comparing lists of semantic field numbers is time-consuming. In the implementation phase, we will develop a suite of data visualizations that will make semantic comparison much more effective. It will be easy to spot differences in the denotational range of prasada and shraddha using charts based on the historical thesaurus conceptual structure. It will be easy to compare the semantic range of prasada with those of its possible English renditions, like confidence. We will also develop a semantic tracker application that will allow users to track and compare the semantic range of any word in any text and language. BTW is the first resource to use the conceptual structure of the historical thesaurus for facilitating translation and cross-linguistic comparison.